Hi guys, my name is Samiksha and today I'm going to teach you how to make an origami Christmas tree. So first you need a squared piece of colored paper. You also need a scissors and a pencil. So let's get started. First you take your paper and you fold it in half this side. Then you unfold it and fold it the other side. Then you unfold it and you turn it over. Now you have to fold it diagonally like this. Crease it tightly and down the other way. Now you unfold it and you turn it over. You take this side and this side and you fold it to the middle like that. And you press it hard. And now you have to take that fold and you fold it to the middle. Same on this. And now you turn it over and repeat the same steps. Like that. Crease it tightly. And the other side. And now you have to put your finger inside there, press it down, and you fold it. You see, one fold turn into two. You do the same with all the others. So you put your finger in and you press it down like that. And then you fold it. Then it'll be like that. Do the same with the other two. Okay, now you should have 4 flaps on this side and 4 on the other. Now you take your scissors and you have to cut this height like that. And now your Christmas tree will look like this. Then you take your pencil and you draw some lines like that. You draw 3 or more. I'm just drawing 3 because this is tiny. And then you cut them. Cut them on the lines that you drew. And now take that flap and fold it. Like that. Okay, now, and same with this one. You fold like that, and then like that. And you do the same with this flaps too. Fold like that. Only one, not all. And like that. And like that. You have to repeat those steps with all of these places. Okay, now this is the Christmas tree and I've made a couple more. And you can use different types of sizes of paper to make bigger ones and smaller ones. And also for the flaps, if you made flaps like this, you have to make 4 flaps this side and 4 flaps this side. Like not all on one side, they have to be different sides.